A very good morning to all my dear student of class 12th. Today we'll just do the continuation of the coordination compound in which we discuss about the oxidation numbers and how to calculate the oxidation number. Okay. Today we'll discuss about calculation of oxidation number of central metal atom in the coordination compound. Okay, there are some examples for that. Okay, this is the example of coordination compound, nickel as a central atom. Okay, in these 6 ligands of ammonias are there. Okay, so ammonia we know very well is a neutral ligand. It do not have any kind of charge. There is no charge on the NH3. Okay, so how to calculate it? We know the oxidation. We want to know the oxidation number of the Ni, that is nickel. We will put the X, nickel as a X. Now NH3. The charge on the NH3 is 0, so we are putting 0 with multiplication with the numbers of ligand, that is 6. 0 into 6, that is, and that value comes from this one, +2 charge of the coordinate entity. This is the +2 charge on the coordinate entity. We will put this value with sign at the end of the equal sign. Okay. Now we are just going to solve it. We just get the X is equal to +2. That is the oxidation number of nickel. The nickel oxidation number in this case is +2. Now next to the next question. In this case the cobalt is a central metal atom. Now the Cl is a ligand, NH3 is a ligand. Okay, this is also example of heteroleptic we discussed in the last lecture. Okay, and the coordination entity charge is +2. And this +2 will be kept at the end of the equal sign. Okay? Now the oxidation number of the cobalt is X. We are just supposing that the oxidation number of cobalt is X. The Cl charge, the charge on the Cl is -1. Okay, so -1 into 1. This one comes from the number of ligand. So Cl है कितने? 1 है. Plus the next one is ammonia. The charge on the ammonia is 0. And how many ammonias are there? 5. So 5 into 0, that is this one. Now we are just going to solve it, this equation, and we are just getting the X is equal to +3. Okay. Kindly check at your home. Now come to this one, where the counter ion comes in front of the coordinate entity. Now this part will be act as a cation, and this part will be act as a anion. I have already told you. Okay. Now the oxidation number of the potassium is +1. This comes in the first block of the S block first group, that is Helena करे रब से फरियाद. K, that is potassium, comes in the first group of S block. So +1 into its counting, that is 4. +1 into 4. Next we want to know the oxidation number of the Fe, that is X. We are just putting the Fe's value X. Cn charge is -1. The charge on the Cn is -1 into counting of the Cn is 6, and that is equal to 0 because there is no charge on the coordinate entity. Okay, and we are getting the X is equal to +2, and this +2 is the oxidation number of this central atom, that is Fe. K is not a central atom. This is the central atom Fe, and there is only one central atom in a coordination compound. Okay, the last example will be same as it is. The value of the copper is X plus Cn values is charge on the Cn is -1. -1 into its counting, that is 4, is equal to -3. The charge on the coordinate entity is -3, and we are getting the X is equal to +1. This is +1 is the oxidation number of copper. Now just come to about the neutral ligands. Neutral ligands means the ligands having no charge. The one is ammonia. Okay, we are just putting the formula, that is we are just say that this amine, this is a amine, ammonia group. Okay. Now in the coordination compound, H2O is also a neutral ligand, and it will call not water in the coordination compound, it will call as a aqua. The name of this H2O compound is aqua. Now this is the carbonyl, NO, EN, ethylene diamine. These all are the neutral ligands in which only CO is the strongest ligand. CO is the strongest ligand. What do you mean by strongest ligand? Strongest ligand means not too much powerful. Strongest ligand means it has ability to donate electron very easily and very fast. This is the property of strong ligand. Okay, I hope you just enjoy this lecture and understand also. Thank you, class.